All right, lead gen on Facebook. Everyone wants more leads through Facebook advertising. Now in this video, I want to share with you 3 things that you can do right now to actually get more leads with your Facebook ads. Hey everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Hernan Vazquez. If this is the first time in this channel, welcome. Thank you for being here. If you haven't been around for a while, thank you for your support. And on this channel, what I try to do is to share with you as many techniques and as much information and wisdom, quote unquote, as possible when it comes to Facebook ads, when it comes to paid media, when it comes to digital marketing in general. So thank you for being here. Now in this video, what I want to share with you is 3 simple techniques that you can utilize right now after this video is done to get more leads through Facebook ads. Okay, let's face it, maybe you are running ads for a client, or maybe you're running ads for your own business and you need more leads, right? You're getting some leads, but you need more. Now, how do you do that? You're going to discover that in this video. Now, with that being said, I also have a free Facebook group that you can join. You're welcome to join. I actually share a lot of good stuff in there. We have templates of good performing Facebook ads. We have good campaign objectives. We have a lot of mind maps and good stuff there. And it's completely free to join. There's going to be a link somewhere around here so that you can go ahead and join that Facebook group. Okay, so let's talk about lead gen and how to make your ads deliver more leads. Okay, so strategy number 1 is to actually mix and match the different campaign objectives that are available on Facebook. So most Facebook advertisers or Facebook agencies, what they will do is once they find a campaign objective that's working for them, they will focus and narrow down on that. And while there's nothing wrong with that, now we're talking about getting more leads, getting a higher flow of leads, all right? So let's say that you're sending people to a landing page or some sort of sales page or lead gen page, and you're sending people there and you're using something like a conversion objective, which is something that I would definitely recommend. Don't get me started on those people that are using engagement or traffic to generate leads. You don't want to do that, okay? Just follow my advice, use conversion objective and install the pixel on that page, on your funnel, so that Facebook can actually optimize and get you more of what you want, which is, well, leads, right? So use the conversion objective, and a lot of Facebook advertisers and Facebook agencies are using that conversion objective alone. Now, with that being said, that works really, really well for the most part. But when you're trying to get more leads, an additional strategy that you can use is to start using additional objectives. Now, here's the thing. I don't start with engagement. I don't start with traffic. I start all of my campaigns with the conversion objective. But once I find a good combination of creative, which is basically copy and images and an audience, then I can start experimenting a little bit more with my campaign objectives. So think about this for a minute. Facebook will put people in different pockets or in different buckets, if you would, right? People that will click on things, they will be on the traffic bucket. People that would like things and engage with things will be on the engagement bucket. And people that tend to convert are on the conversions bucket. Now, the same user could be in more of one bucket or group, right? So for instance, if I like to click on things and then I like to convert, I might be shown an ad whose conversion objective is traffic or clicks, while I might also be showing an ad that the conversion objective is conversions, right? Or the campaign objective is conversions rather. So when that happens, what you need to understand is that Facebook will show, based off your campaign objective, will show your ad to different people. So the thing that you want to do is to start optimizing for different conversion objectives. So what you want to do is to start optimizing for different campaign objectives. So again, if you have a conversion campaign that is running and is working well, use the same parameters, use the same copy, use the same images, use the same ads if you can, using the post ID feature, and use the same demographics. Don't change anything else. Not even the budget, just keep the same budget, but change the campaign objective to something like traffic. In some cases, maybe even reach. When your audiences are small, a conversion campaign or a traffic campaign might not get shown to everyone in that audience. So what you want to do is to maybe use the reach objective. So basically mix and match the different objectives that you have or the different campaign goals that you have so that you can actually target and get a wider pool of people going through your funnel, because now you know that your funnel is working, that your creatives are working, and that combination is yielding you results. You just need more of it. Tip number 2, or strategy number 2, is basically to make your ads better. And by better, I basically mean really specifically 1 or 2 things. There are a couple of metrics that will allow you to understand how your ads are performing, okay? So the metric that I like the most, specifically if you're running ads that are going outside of Facebook, meaning if you're sending people to a landing page or to an opt-in page or to a sales page, my North Star metric, besides how much money I'm spending per customer or per lead, is something called unique outbound click CTR, or unique outbound CTR. What does this mean? This basically means how many people are seeing the ads versus how many people are clicking on the ads are going out to whatever my landing page is. There's a lot of CTRs on Facebook. You have like CTR all, which is everyone that clicks on any type of or anything on the ad. Like if they click on the play button on a video, or if they click on a like button on any ad, that will be counted towards CTR all, which that's why I don't use it. I use unique outbound CTR, or unique outbound click CTR. As you see on screen, you can set up your columns so that it will show you that metric. Now, a really healthy ad, it's anywhere above 2%. So if you have a 2% unique outbound click CTR, it's a really healthy ad. Anywhere below 1%, you want to rework your ads. You want to rework maybe the image, or maybe the copy, or maybe the angle, okay? Because people are seeing that ad, but they're not clicking on the ad. And a great ad will be above 3, even 4%. Like above 3%, you're right on the money, okay? 2% and above is a healthy ad, but 1% is a okay ad, could be improved. And below that, you want to rework your ads. Because here's the thing. If you're getting a lot of impressions but not a lot of people are clicking on it, you're exhausting your CPM, meaning that you need to show, or Facebook needs to show that ad a lot for you to get a click or two. So basically, by having better imagery or having more compelling copy, you will make people click more, and that will decrease your cost per lead and your cost per click. Even at some point, it might decrease your CPM, and that will basically translate to more leads for the same amount of money. And strategy number 3 is basically spend more money. You're in the paid media game. If you're watching these videos, because I was about to say if you're watching this ad, that is the advertiser on me speaking. But if you're watching this video, it basically means that you need more leads from your current ads. And one of the things that you can do is to spend more money on your advertising. Like if you don't want to spend money to get leads, then you can go do something else like SEO or social media or some sort of organic BS. But when you are in the big boys turf, which is basically spending money to acquire a new customer, then at some point you may want to just go ahead and spend more money, right? I've had some clients in the past that have come to me and they're spending like, I don't know, 20, 30 bucks a day or whatever. And they're telling me, okay, this is good. How do we get more leads? And my answer is, okay, you can spend a little bit more, not a lot more, but you can spend a little bit more and you can start getting better results. Now, with that being said, the more you spend on ads, usually your cost per lead will also go up, but some clients are fine with that as long as you keep on delivering the leads, okay? And this also runs true if you have your own advertising. You know, if you have your own business, you're advertising your own business, just start spending more money. Start slowly scaling your ads because clearly you're getting leads. It's working, okay? Maybe you're not paying what you want per lead. You may want to tweak your ads by using strategy number 2, spend more money on ads. That usually solves a lot of the problems that you're running with your ads. Okay, so there you have it, guys. 3 strategies, really simple. Strategy number 1 is to actually mix and match your campaign objectives. Maybe use a conversion campaign, and maybe use a lead ads campaign, and maybe use a traffic campaign, all at the same ads, using the same demographics and the same ads and everything, so that you can actually mix and match what's going on. The lead ads are usually lower cost per lead, but the quality might not be there. So if you're sending people to a landing page, try to do engagement or traffic, but always as a second stage, okay? Do not start with that. You can always use that as a second stage. Strategy number 2 is to actually make your ads better, okay? Just check that column that I just told you, unique outbound click CTR. It will tell you how well your ads are doing. If they're not doing well, you will be paying more per lead. So rework your copy, rework your images, and off you go. You might see an increase in unique outbound CTR, which will translate a decrease in the cost per lead. And number 3 would be basically to just spend a little bit more money, which is, you know, the paid media game. You're in the paid media space. Again, if you don't want to pay per lead, I don't know what you're doing in this channel, or I don't know what you're doing watching my videos or watching this video, but anyways, hope it's helpful. And if you're ready to spend a little bit more money, just crank it up a notch and see how that does. All right, guys, so I hope this is helpful. If you have any additional questions when it comes to paid media, Google ads, Facebook ads, sales funnels, digital marketing in general, make sure that you use the comments somewhere around here, because this video might go to more than one place. So somewhere around here, there's going to be a comment section. I swear to God, every social media platform has a comment section right now, so you can leave a comment. I'm pretty on top of those comments, and make sure that you join the Facebook group, okay? There's also going to be links around here to join the free Facebook group. It's pretty awesome. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.